Hello friends, thanks for clicking. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today's video is very special to the computer science researcher. If you don't not belongs to the particular this field, don't worry, just drop your message in the comment box. I will make a video specially for you as it is. So this is the very special video for the computer science researcher, those who are searching the fast publication journal, SCI Index Journal and Scopus Index Journal in the field of computer science. So first category in the fast publication journal is the Elsevier category. This is the Elsevier publishers and the journal name is the Finite Elements in Analysis and Design. So this is the impact factor, Clarivate Analytics impact factor, and this is the site score that represent to the Scopus indexing journal. Now if we will talk about the aim and scope, just click on the read and more. So read out it this carefully. If your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, it is especially dedicated for you. So if your research area comes under this, then you need to publish and explore this about this particular journal. So if we will talk about the abstract and indexing, just need to click on this particular tab. So it will be redirected to the indexing and is so this is the very good indexing and rich indexing of this journal. So you can see here, this is the very important thing. This is the Scopus Index Journal and Science Citation Index. So this is the very good and fast publication journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal and explore this journal. As per my understanding, it published 12 issues per year. Next category of the journal is the International Journal of Human Computer Studies and the publisher name is the Elsevier. The impact factor is the 3.1 is the very good impact factor and the site score is the 5.8. And if we will talk about the aim and scope and which type of category covered by this particular journal, so just you need to read it carefully for your research paper. If your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, so you can read out innovative interaction technique, multimodal interaction, speech interaction. So if your research area comes under this particular points, then need to publish your research paper and explore this research paper. So if we will talk about the indexing, so this is the very good indexing. So you can see here, this is the Science Citation Index, SCI Index, Social Science Index. So it is also especially dedicated to the social science students also, and also the Scopus Index Journal. So this is the very rich indexing, very good indexing. So explore this journal for publication of your research paper. And if your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, so need to explore this and publish your research paper. Next category of the journal is the Journal of Systems and Software. This is also published by the Elsevier journal. And if we will talk about the impact factor is the 2.4 and site score 7.8. That is the very good thing for this journal. Now if we will discuss about the aim and area and scopes, what type of the research paper or manuscript or article will get published in this journal, so just need to click on this read and more. So you can explore methods, tools for software requirement, design, architecture, verification, validation, testing, maintenance, evolution. So there are the so many things, topics are covered by this particular journal. Artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics, big data. So those researchers comes under this aim and scopes are need to explore this journal and explore. After exploring, if your research area comes under this, then need prepare your manuscript and submit your research paper to the publisher. Now if we will talk about the indexing, so this is the very good indexing, Science Citation Index, SCI Index, and also the Scopus Index. You can explore this is the Scopus Index journal, SCI Index, and very good indexing of this journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. Next category journal is the Computer Science Security. As its name indicated, it is also dedicated for the security research area. So this journal published by the Elsevier. Now the impact factor of this journal 3.5 and site score is the 7.5. Now if we will explore about this particular aim and scope, just need, you can see here, this is the computer security audit, control, data integrity. So these are the aim and scope, and also these are also given here. So if your research area comes under this particular aim and scopes, and explore this journal and prepare your manuscript for the publication. So we will talk about the indexing. Just press on the indexing tab. So you can see here, this is the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal. So this is also the very good indexing. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal, and it also publish 12 issue per year. So all the journal we will discussing about, all the journal publish 12 issue per year. So you can imagine about the publication frequency time. Now next category is the pattern recognition. This is also the very good journal and published by the Elsevier journal. Impact factor is very good, 7.196, and the site score 13. Very rich indexing, very rich site score. Now if we will talk about the aim and scope, just need to click on read and more, so you can read out it carefully. Pattern recognition is a mature, and also you can explore each and everything, and all the things are available in area, aim and scope of this particular journal. So first category is the new journal article that have been appropriately reviewed by the competent scientific people, and so you just read it carefully, each and every instruction before publishing your paper. So if we will talk about the indexing, so this journal also having the very good indexing and rich indexing. You can see here, this is also the very good indexing. So first we need always focus on the Scopus Index Journal, Science Citation Index, and rest of the things are very important thing. These are the very good index, and you can see, you can explore this journal. So I recommend to all of you explore these all 5 journals, very important journal to the computer science researcher, those who are searching the fast publication journal. Most probably it will get published within 1 month to 2 months. So all journals get published, and all journals issues published, all the issues 12 issues per year. So 12 issues per year published by the these all Elsevier journals. So I recommend to all of you go for this type of the journal. So thank you friends for watching this video, and also help your friends also by sharing this channel and this video,